ang recantation o retraction of the testimony of a witness ay hindi automatic nang nagre-resulta sa acquittal ng akusado. Ayon sa People versus Lasam et al., GR number 198338 noong 2013, kailangan may comparison between the original and the second testimony or affidavit of the retracting witness. Kailangan ma-apply din ang general rules of evidence. Doon naman sa 2020 case ng GR 236562, ang sabi ng korte, courts are worried about recantations. They are usually the results of a bribery or intimidation, coercion, force, and deceit. They must be subject to the test of credibility.